You find workflows in the left-hand navigation behind this stair symbol. This is a workflow that I set up for this demo purposes, so you understand how they work. This whole line, this whole box is one workflow. The first part of the box, the one with the green line, is the header section of this workflow, where you see the name, in this case product development of the workflow. You see who the owner is of the workflow, which is Peyton as Director of Product Development. And there's a notes box down here where you can put down the reason why this workflow exists. In this case, to regularly update our product catalog to stay top-notch and have competitive advantages. Behind this line, you see the individual steps of this workflow. Step number 1 is the insights step. The owner of the step is the role researcher, and the purpose is to gather learnings from existing users, new markets, and trends. Step number 2 is MVP. There are 2 roles that are owners of this, or 2 skills in this case, programming and design. And the note is use insights to create initial ideas, test them, and pick the best ones. Step number 3 is called portfolio board. So this sounds already like there are more than 1 roles involved. So you see programming and design skills, and you see the roles director product development, the role researcher, and the role portfolio manager, and they meet to decide together what horse or what idea to bet on. And step number 4 is production, where the skills programming and design and the role director product development work together to build the best winner concept, and so on. So how does this work in the beginning? When you come to this page for the first time, you just click on Add New Workflow, and then you see this. This is the master beginning of any workflow. Here on top of the green line, the name of the workflow, let's say campaign development. And down here you can pick the owner. Like the workflow, the entire workflow can have a role, and then you can pick a person that owns this role. So you have a person that owns this workflow. In the other steps, let's see here, the first step would be idea generation. You can pick an owner, maybe the copywriting. And here you cannot pick a name. So the role copywriting in general is taking part in the idea generation. But I can pick more than 1 role. I can pick many roles or skills. All items, existing items of the blue list will show here that I can pick in here. If you need a new item that's not yet created, you need to jump back to the dashboard, create this role, and then come back here. You add new steps by clicking on Add New Step, and then you can build your workflow. Just one information at the end. The people in their reports will see the workflows. They will see 1 page with the workflows that they are part of, and they will see 1 page with all the workflows, so they can always check how your team is supposed to work.